Moving on to our third and final name in our speed round. Back to the West Coast. This is Troy in Spokane, Washington, interested in Sunrun, ticker symbol RUN.
Oh, it looks like I looked at it back in the day, and it looks like when I looked at it, it was trading at a much higher run. Sunrun, of course, is that solar play. Um, they've dropped a little bit, so they're also in a sideways channel. But the sideways channel, I mean, it goes from about $10 to $13.25. We're starting to get a little bit tight. I do like the pricing. This means that it's a little bit lower on the pricing, so it means more people can be involved in the trade. Let's see. I'm going to go to the at the money. Oh, yeah, there's a lot of people trading options, at least the near term option. Let's go out to November or even August, but November. Yeah, there's a lot of people trading options on Sunrun, so you've got no problem there. You could get into the options mix and not have to worry about, a big enough market. There's plenty of people trading those options. So yeah, we're approaching a top, and that's where you would, if you wanted to start that income engine, that's where you would either buy some deep in the money put options, or you could short the stock in lots of 100, and then you wait for it to come back down, and that's when you sell your put premium, buy protective calls, and then you just rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Um, this brings up a thought in my mind. Sunrun, right, is behind a lot of the solar that's going on here in the States. I just read an article that Germany has so much solar. Europe in general has invested so much in solar because, ever since the, skirmish in the Ukraine and Russia, retaliating against Europe backing the Ukraine by turning off the gas, everybody and their brother has invested in solar, which has created an issue because in the middle of the day in Germany, I read that they create almost 2 times as much energy than they need at the moment. And so they have this energy deficit, and it really screws up their energy markets because they have this where they can't even sell the energy for as cheap as they. But then at night, they've got that problem with a base load. And I think that's happening all over Europe because of their investment in solar. They have to now do an equal investment in battery storage, I think. But it's just interesting that solar isn't the only answer because it's intermittent, right?